Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to log into your Udemy account. It is a very simple step. Firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search udemy.com. You will be officially led to this page. Now at the top right, you can see two options, login or sign up. If you haven't signed up for your Udemy account, then click on this option and they will be guiding you further to register for your Udemy account. Now, as we already have our account, we will click on the option login. Now here you need to firstly enter your email. You can also see other options to log in, that is your Google, Facebook or your Apple ID if you are an Apple user. Now here simply enter your email. After that you need to click on login with email option. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your email, so make sure to check it and enter that here. Now click on login and you will be successfully logged into your Udemy account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.